Katanar Pulit Joka East Khasils District Hakar Puar Tere Ujleo Arja Arpuar Kalapuloi Gajelia Kai Football Kumshibanta Banraki Jingpyrshah Yo Drugs Kani Gajelia Kai Football Kabla Long Hamadan Joka Sai Nihu Campus Kala Long Hapenga East Khasi Hills DEF Pershah Shillong Press Club Hagani Gaski Dr. LR Bishnoi IPS GGP Kamigalaya Ula Long Kumukongsan Ringkat Kajedon Lang Kiwe Kirangba Pulit But Kumjuru President Shillong Press Club
Khasi Hills DF won by 4-1 margin. But let me appreciate the Shillong Press Club football team. They played very well. My appreciation goes to each and every player of Shillong Press Club. And it was really nice to see their enthusiasm, encouragement. They have participated with full energy and commitment. Today's friendly match is organized during the run-up to an International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. As we all know, United Nations has declared 26 June as an International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking in 1987. And since then, every year this day is observed not only in India but worldwide. We also know that the drug abuse is spreading its tentacles throughout the state of Meghalaya, and unfortunately it started spreading towards the rural areas, and many youths are falling prey to it. It is our duty to create drug-free society in Meghalaya. For this, we have adopted many strategies. Preventive strategy. For that, we are creating a lot of awareness programs in school, colleges, and in markets, community, so that the people should know and aware about the ill effects of the drug abuse.